Hi, the best way to get to know QBO is by visiting the website. So I'm going to type in www.intuit.com.au. If you haven't already done so, you should save this website address as a bookmark or a favourite. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can do this in other applications such as Firefox or Explorer. Next, you'll need to sign in. QuickBooks Online offers a variety of sign-in options. The QuickBooks Online product, the QuickBooks Online Accountant and Bookkeeper product, and the Intuit Pro Advisor program. Today we're going to sign into QuickBooks Online. Type in your user ID followed by your password. I have multi-companies, but you'll just need to select your company. You'll see to the left of your screen what I like to call the quick navigation menu. It gives you an overview of everything in QuickBooks. The cog will give you an overview of the common bookkeeping tasks in QuickBooks, and the plus button at the top is like your creation menu. That's where you'll create things in QuickBooks, such as expenses, bills, and invoices. If you click on the company name gear icon or cog to reveal the menu and go to company settings, you'll see a range of settings which you can use to customize your company. I'm going to call my company Test 3's company, perhaps just Test 3. You can change that to whatever your company name is. If your company has a different legal name, enter that here. Your company address, email address, website, phone number, ABN, first month of the financial year, it's July. And it talks about closing the books, account numbers, and a variety of other options. It's a good idea to revisit the company settings at a later date to fully customize your QuickBooks experience and how it will work best for your business. The menu tab, or the quick links tab as I like to call it, is on the left hand side. So we're going to review the navigation bar from top to bottom. If you're in the bookkeeping accountant's version, you'll have the accountant home. Otherwise, with QuickBooks Online, you'll just go straight to the home menu. Now, because I've just set up this company, I haven't logged in before, it's asking for some more basics. I can put a logo in, as I said before, the phone number, state, territory, and it will run me through a quick setup interview. You'll see under the client home, I'll have my income bar, which will show me how many invoices I have open at the moment, and out of those open invoices, how many are overdue and how many have been paid in the last 30 days. It'll also show me at a glance my expenses and my profit and loss. The Customers tab will show me how many quotes I have open, how much unbilled activity I have, how many open invoices I have and their value, and out of those open invoices, how much is overdue and how much has been paid within the last 30 days. The Suppliers tab is much the same as the Customers tab. It'll give me a list of my suppliers once I've entered them, show me how many bills I have outstanding and how many bills I have overdue, and the bills that I've paid in the last 30 days. My Employees tab will allow me to set up new employees, and when I link with KeyPay later on, it'll allow me to process pay runs. The Transactions tab, once clicked, will give you a further 4 options: banking, sales, expenses, and account histories. If I click on the Banking tab, it will allow me to link up my bank to QuickBooks in a read-only version, where I can easily then reconcile the transactions going through my bank account with the transactions I've input into QuickBooks. The Sales tab, much like the Customers tab, will show me how many quotes I have, the value of my unbilled activity, open invoices, overdue invoices, and what's been paid in the last 30 days. Expenses, well, there's nothing there because we haven't input anything into QuickBooks at the moment. And account histories. This will give me a list of my chart of accounts. The Reports tab is a really useful tab, providing some common reports and allowing me to custom reports according to my business and save them under my custom reports. Once I've created a report, I'm able to print it, email it, or send it to Excel. The GST tab is where I'll set up my business for GST. Once I've done this, it'll show me at a glance with great visuals how much GST I've collected in sales, how much I've paid on purchases, and my current GST balance, whether positive or negative, to today.